I've been on YouTube and looking up this wet hair look, so I am going to attempt it and see what happens. So I bought the wet line gel because I've heard really good things about it, and I bought 3 of these because they're super small. I'm going to be using some hairspray. I just bought some extra hold. I don't know. I bought some Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner because I love this leave-in conditioner and I need some type of leave-in conditioner to go with it. And I have some mousse, Creamy Nature Priming Hold Mousse. And I also bought 2 scarves. So if you want to see how this turns out, keep watching. Freshly washed hair. I've already got my part. I can't do a middle part because my head's too big for that. So I did my side part. And I'm just going to start by putting in some leave-in conditioner from the Blueberry Bliss collection. Next, I like to go through and detangle my hair to make sure my hair is free of any knots or tangles before I start on my hair. First, I'm going to go in with some gel, and then I'm going to top it off with the mousse. That's a lot of gel. I gotta remember I'm not doing washing though. Okay, so let's put that 2 back. Cool chile. Okay. Do I even need edge control? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Okay. Put this behind the head. Okay. Got a little bit of edges going on. I just messed it up. Okay. dye on a dollar bill. But I guess I'll lay it down, see how it comes out. Probably should have did a straight to the back, but oh, I hate wasting a wash day. So fingers crossed I can fix this. I just want y'all to know that it took about 20 minutes for me to put this scarf on. I was like super close to giving up. I was over it. And this is the moment I realized I forgot to put on the hairspray, and there was no way that I was gonna take all of this off just to put that on. Alright, so from what I see, my hair is laid to the gods in the front, but with the back, I do like that my curls are clumped, but my bangs just throw off my hair because it's like a different length than the rest of my hair, so I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna have to make it work though. But if you like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments below on what I probably could have done a little bit differently. And maybe I'll try this style again. See you guys on the next video.